We live in an era, 2026, where most new technology feels disposable. Open a box and often you are greeted with hollow plastic, a faint chemical scent, and the unspoken promise of obsolescence within a year. It is a frustrating truth for any professional who values their time and their tools. Which is why, today, we are discussing the professional-grade handheld and upright vacuum, a piece of hardware that decidedly bucks this trend. This is not just another cleaning appliance. This is a long-term value proposition designed for the discerning individual. Now, let us talk about friction, that subtle drag on your productivity. Imagine a Monday morning, a coffee spill, a sudden mess. Your current tool chokes, loses suction, or demands a filter change. 5 minutes disappear. That is where a truly professional-grade unit shines. This vacuum boasts a unique multi-stage filtration system, engineered not just to capture, but to sustain optimal airflow. It is a quiet standard, yes, but it means no loss of suction, ever. That engineered consistency saves you exactly 5 minutes of frustration. That is 5 minutes you get back. 5 minutes you are not spending wrestling with underperforming tech. Over a year, that is hours. Pick this unit up. You will notice it immediately. The heft, the dense balance. This is not the brittle, flexing plastic we have grown accustomed to. This is cold, solid construction, zero flex, designed to endure. It feels like a proper tool, not a toy. The tactile quality prevents those accidental drops from turning into a trip to the electronics graveyard. This build quality is what eliminates the constant replacement cycle. It is the joy of ownership, knowing your gear will simply perform every single time. It is an investment against the cost of failure. Now, in the spirit of absolute transparency, there is one professional compromise you might note. The dustbin, while engineered for easy, hygienic emptying, is not cavernous. For a truly massive whole house deep clean, you would still reach for a full-sized canister. However, in real-world workflow, for everyday professional use, for maintaining a pristine home or office, its capacity is perfectly adequate. It is a trade-off for its compact, powerful form factor, a trade-off that becomes irrelevant the moment you experience its raw, consistent power. This product review confirms its performance outweighs this minor point. Ultimately, this unit is about giving you your time back. It is about eliminating decision fatigue over substandard tools and providing a 2026 update that lasts. If you value your weekends, your mornings, and the sheer reliability of professional-grade equipment, then this warrants serious consideration. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price in stock.